like a Mustang. See ya. I gotta watch on my wrist is a bust down. See ya. I'm tryna hop on a flight at a time.
Oh yeah.
Day 2, take 1. You didn't clap. Hey, forget it. Like I said, day 2, take 1. We tried to do this yesterday, but unfortunately, the freaking mic died. So we made a bunch of clips, kind of for no reason. We'll figure them out later. But since nobody got to see those clips, I'm going to have my boy introduce himself. Go ahead. Let me give you the mic.
My name's Eli. I'm 13. I play football, and I'm going in the 8th grade.
So y'all met Eli. Me and Eli been at it for about, how long you think we've been working out together? We started in January, so we've been at it quite a while. By the way, I'm not just his trainer; he's also my editor. So we kind of work together now. We're building something here. So, but again, he's gonna put in a before, and this is his like after results. Again, he plays football. He plays lineman, O lineman, D lineman. He's going in the 8th grade, so he got a big year coming up. After that, he'll be in high school, so hopefully we can make some things happen. So right now, for the workout today, we're targeting the back and the shoulders. So I got him warming up. This is workout, what you call a standing overhead press, and then we're going to superset that with incline dumbbell row. So again, I got him warming up real quick. I'm going to get my warm-up in because we're going to be working out together today. I didn't get up this morning, so I might as well get in a workout with him. So I'm going to get my warm-up in. And for both workouts, what we'll be doing, I don't know if I said it already, but 3 sets of 8 for both. A little warm-up with the bar before we start the workout. It's on you. We got Eli starting his first set for the 3 sets of 8. I don't got to be in it. They can hear me. Oh, you want the mic? I should have just gave you the mic and you could explain the workout. Go ahead, take it.
All right. All right, buddy. Okay. I got 5 pounds on the overhead shoulder press. I'm about to move this.
He's doing this superset right now. If I'd have gave him the mic, he probably would have crushed it. Second set. We'll go off the clock.
Buddy, I don't want to. You're just making me more work.
Got my boy Eli on for his second set. Go ahead.
We do need 2 mics. Stop.
Nice superset with these inclines. I be forgetting to talk on this mic. I'm still kind of new to this. My main focus is be on making sure he does the technique and the form right, making sure he gets a good workout in. Because at the end of the day, that's what it's really all about. The other stuff is just later with this whole talking. But we're going to figure it out. I was hooping yesterday with my homeboy. We was running 4-on-4. I don't think I missed a shot. I'm not going to lie. And he can vouch for me because he knows my shot is like that. I decided I don't think I'm going to work out with him because I really want to focus on making sure he gets right. So I'll probably do something later on, maybe a late night. My boy is moaning in the joint.
Oh, are we gonna film in the field when we go out there?
Yeah, we also gonna do some field work. It was raining, but the sun just came out, so we're gonna. Buddy, let me talk a little. He just wants to do stuff. He don't even know what's going on right now. But yeah, I'm gonna just make my focus on him, keep my focus on him, and then we're gonna do something a little bit later.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
That's it. Last set of this superset. Making sure he really squeezes his back in this exercise. Making those muscles contract. 3. Good work.
Yeah. Look at this field out here. So tough. All right, buddy, shut up. Shut up. You peaked in college. Shut up, buddy. Everybody knows you
wouldn't even
here.
have a peak if it wasn't for me.
All right, buddy, shut up. Yes, I would.
There's no peak without me.
Whatever you say. Oh yeah. Vlogging. Yeah. Barbell row. I'm not. There you go.
Bent over like you're taking some smooth dick.
Look at him over there. Oh. Whoa. All right. You're not ant, buddy. Hey. Hey. Hit the Dougie.
Started right now. Thank you. I got him doing his warm up for barbell row, and then we're gonna superset that with lat pull downs. Same thing we did with the first workouts. 3 sets of 8. Bro, relax. It's not that serious. What they call it? I'm Durkin. Front twerking. I don't know if y'all can see it outside, but yeah. Looks like we got a tornado on the way.
We gotta be done like an hour.
So we got the.
I need to be back. We need to leave at like 4:15.
That's a bet. We might skip the field today and just
We're gonna have to.
yeah,
I don't think we have a choice.
but starting this first set of the superset. Oh yeah.
All right, buddy. Three. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna go up 5 on the rows. Ow, on the rows.
You gonna be recording with football star.
And then we went up 10 on the bend over rows. So now the lat pull down. So now we're at 90. No field today. Look, storm coming in, tornado. We're gonna die. One, 2, 3. That's big storm. Tornado.
Go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What? No. Do you think I stand weird? He thinks I stand weird.
Hey, check the feed. That's what we call it. Check the feed.
See, normal.
That's not how you stand. That's not how he stands at all. Hey, we gonna catch him though, cause he stands weird. But I think it's in his genes. Cause I know a couple of his family members that stand like that. It's kind of nasty. You lucky they can't see the feet. That's nasty work. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, you looking slim though. I'm not gonna. You look a little slim. Hey, you gotta most definitely put in the before picture. A nice big one though.
I don't have a big nasty picture. I don't take pictures of myself like that.
You gotta put a nice big one in there.
I'll put a picture of me naked as a baby.
All right.
Alright. Oh. See ya. You so home. Swamp is out.
Trying to beat that picture. Swamp is out.
1, 2, 3. It's a big storm. One, 2, 3.
Feel?
Oh yeah, this angle's tough. Oh, they're mine.
We'll take the box, because I'm sure your dad will like it too. We'll just take a box. We'll take it. You want a regular?
Nope.
The box is literally the blue up and the purple ones are
Thank you. You said click it?
No, I said clear. Oh, it's cleared up there.
It's still raining.
No, it's not. Here, let's step outside. It's not raining.
On this nice, beautiful day, 70 and sunny at West Virginia State University.
Beautiful. I've never seen an ounce of rain here in my life.
You gonna get out there?
What time is it? Let me check my watch. Nope, not my watch.
Oh yeah. We got med ball slams, and we're gonna superset with that.
Plank.
Was planked shoulder touches, but he's not there yet, so we're just gonna do planks. I thought this was a dread. We're gonna get a med ball, and then we're gonna get a med ball. And we're gonna start the workout. Last workout, and then we out of here. Just for days. These is all going to Eli's house.
I'm not that big, alright?
Back over. Hey,
I'm not that big. They're for my dad.
this is my song right here. Hit that. Anyway, we just gonna get off of that. With my boy Elijah.
You got a fabulous team. What?
Hit that.
This?
No, not that. Got 3 sets of 10 med ball slams. As hard as you can to the floor. Yeah, keep going. 2, 3. He got the plank next. Go ahead, jump into your plank. I give you 30 seconds. 30-second plank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get your butt down. 7, 8, 9, 10. That was 26. Quit at 26. It shouldn't, but I'll let you slide. You got another set. That's one set right there. You got 2 more. Yeah, start with Memo.
Number 1 safety in the league, Kyle Hamilton, plays for the Baltimore Ravens. Plays for the Baltimore Ravens, the best team in the league, going to win the Super Bowl with the best defense in the league now. Better than Philly and the Broncos. We're so much better than every other team.
Hey, this is a delusional Ravens fan. And I'm starting to think Ravens fans are starting to become delusional.
You're a Vikings fan. You're a Vikings fan.
Okay, but Vikings fans are delusional.
You said J.J. McCarthy is better than Tom Brady. That came out of your mouth before.
That came out of my mouth?
Yes. You said because he played 2 games of the preseason, he was already better than Tom Brady.
I didn't
Just
say
because
that.
he went to Michigan doesn't
All right,
mean
well, hold on. Like I said, I'm starting to think Ravens fans are becoming delusional because y'all have some of the top players in the league, but y'all still can't win. And y'all just keep getting good players, but y'all still aren't going to win. So it really don't matter. I'm going to catch you. Y'all have a good one. But yeah. And sitting right here with me is a delusional Ravens bandwagon.
I'm not a bandwagon.
On you. Birds.
I hate this so much. He doesn't have a count either. It's so freaking annoying. Like he says 1, 2, 7, 4. Doesn't even make sense. Can't even feel my body right now. I swear to God, they kill me. Oh yeah, last set. Let's go. I get to go home and go eat for my sister's birthday. What's the thing where they cook in front of the fire? Hibachi? Yeah, that's what. Yeah. Nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We out of here, man. Good little work today. No field today. We got rained out. Plus, we was running a little behind anyway, so we had to.
You look like Black Boy Max on that angle.
No, I don't.
Black Boy Max.
Like I said, we got rained out. Plus,
Black Boy Max, turn this shit down.
we got some other stuff we got to do today.
You mean me?
My editor got a lot of work to do.
That was my sister's birthday.
So he better not piss me off.
Buddy, buy my CapCut subscription then.
No, I'm training you.
Hold on. This intro is about to be so fire. It's gonna be handmade. It's about to be so fire.
Hey, start young. I'm telling you out here. Let me flip it. No, you go ahead. Go ahead. Start young. You know, my boy doing his thing. He got his own little channel. He a little antisocial though, but you know, we fixed that.
What do you mean I got my own channel?
Your own edit channel?
TikTok account.
Oh yeah, shout yourself out.
Yeah, I'll put it right here. I'll put it right there. I'll put the link in the description because I'm so tough. Ooh. Oh. don't even have the mic.
Gotta wait. Check the feet.
We gotta have a feet cam.
What are we doing?
No, we
I don't
need
know
a
what
feet cam. Get the strap on our phone
I don't even know what we're doing.
in front of on the field.
I have you hold this real quick.
All right. Well, we need to get all the chips, pal.
Here, let's do the bye and then we'll do the little bye and then we'll grab our chips that you wanted.
Bro, stop! You're making me seem way bigger than I am.
Who's gonna eat all those chips?
My dad. Realistically, Zoe.
Are we out here? Go ahead. Oh yeah.